presents Flags by Continent. Flags of Oceanian countries. American Samoa. Australia. Christmas Island. Cocos Islands. Cook Islands. Fiji. French Polynesia. Guam. Indonesia. Kiribati. Marshall Islands. Micronesia. Nauru. New Caledonia. New Zealand. Niue. Norfolk Island. Northern Mariana Islands. Palau. Papua New Guinea. Pitcairn Islands. Samoa. Solomon Islands. Tokelau. Tonga. Tuvalu. Vanuatu. Wallis and Futuna. Now it's time to play. What's that country? What country's flag is this? You're right! It's Tuvalu! What country flies this flag? No doubt about it, it's Niue. What flag is this? You're right! It's Cook Islands. Which flag is this? Yeah, it's Palau. Can you tell me which flag this is? You're doing great. It's Indonesia. What flag is this? Yes, it's Kiribati. Oh, which flag is this? Yay, it's Solomon Islands. What's this flag? It's Tonga. Did you know, outside of the English-speaking world, Oceania is generally considered a continent, while Australia is regarded as an island or a continental landmass contained inside of the larger continent of Oceania. Let us know how much you got right in the comments below. Congratulations on mastering the flags of Oceanian countries. Thank you for watching. Remember, like and subscribe.